Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, April the 7th, I've got 3 press releases for you. Let's get straight to it. First off, Star Navigation Systems trades on the Venture Exchange under SNA. This is an AGORACOM client. Always disclose that. But as always, we don't report on AGORACOM client news unless it stands on its own 2 feet. This news actually came out yesterday around 3 o'clock after the open. That's why we're reporting on it today. Nice news there. They've announced a technical partnership with Astrium. This is a wholly owned subsidiary of EADS, the massive aerospace and defense company. But how big is Astrium? This is a company in 2009 had about 4.8 million euros, 4.8 billion euros in revenue, and about 15,000 employees in France, Germany, the UK, and the Netherlands. They provide civil and defense space systems and services. What's the partnership agreement about? This is to enhance the patented in-flight safety monitoring, to enhance and implement, the in-flight safety monitoring system, better known as ISMS. This is the next generation of aircraft data transmission systems that provides aircraft operators with capable solutions to greatly enhance awareness of aircraft performance, status, and location. So what does that mean? Essentially, you've got a black box you've got a black box 2.0 here, where it's monitoring aircraft systems in near real time or in real time and actually transmitting data back to the maintenance crew of the operator. So take any of the large operators or back to the headquarters of the operator so that they know of any problems in advance that need to be fixed, fuel efficiency, all those kind of things. That's why there are great cost savings to the operators when they implement these kind of programs. And it makes sense. All our cars have come with GPS and all the great monitoring systems. Only makes sense that airplanes are the next on the list. The company closed yesterday at 39.5 cents, 52-week high, 57 cents, 52-week low, 4 cents. So some great return for a lot of shareholders in this company. As always, do your own due diligence. But I personally like it when I see small companies getting into partnerships with companies of this magnitude. So congratulations to Star Nav. Next up, JASO Holdings trades on the NASDAQ under JASO. If you've been a viewer of AGORACOM TV for a long time, you know we love these up-and-coming Chinese companies. I think there's a lot of potential there. JASO announced that they raised their shipment guidance for the first quarter of 2010. Based on current customer orders, the company is now projecting first quarter shipments to exceed 265 megawatts. That's significant because back on February the 11th, they announced guidance for the first quarter of 215 to 225 megawatts. So they're way above their high end of their guidance. And you're talking about less than 2 months later. Why? The CEO of JASO had a quote. Here's a couple of excerpts. During the first quarter, we saw robust demand from existing and new customers. In addition, we also won several new European customers during the quarter, which further diversified our customer base and provides better visibility for the full year. The company says they're one of the world's largest suppliers of high-performance solar cells and solar products. Closed yesterday at 567. That's near its 52-week high trading range of 695 and about double off its 52-week low of $2.80. So good news out of JASO. And finally, New Dawn Mining trades on the TSX big board under the stock symbol ND. Again, an AGORACOM client, just one of those days where we have a couple of AGORACOM clients with great news. They announced that they completed the commissioning of a deepened second shaft at their Turk mine in Zimbabwe. This is the commissioning of the Armenian shaft at the Turk and Angeles mines, which has deepened hoisting capability from the 5th level to the 9th level. In addition, the company is also announcing that gold production is expected to increase by 40% by mid-2011. Now, if you don't know about New Dawn Mining, go take a look at their previous press releases. Pretty much every month they're coming out with their production and revenue numbers the company's producing, generating nice revenue. So go take a look at those press releases. They also, some highlights from the press release, the second shaft is now operational to Turk mine. Mine development has accelerated, and the company says the next production target of 22 to 23,000 ounces of annualized gold has actually been accelerated. Production has been accelerated by 6 months, so that's always good news when you hear that. This is a junior gold company currently expanding gold production at its Turk and Angeles mines. Closed at $1.04 yesterday, $1.85 on the high side, 47 cents on the low side. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.